Hey guys, in this video we're discussing how to protect specific cells in shared Google Sheets. Alright, firstly let's target the exact coordinates you want to seal away from outside users. So I'm just going to highlight, I'll say this block right here. I'll right click anywhere inside the highlighted section and scroll down to the bottom of the context menu and hover over View More Cell Actions right here. Okay, and in here you can choose Protect Range. Choose Add a Sheet or Range, add a description, password it, for example, and the sheet is already created, set permissions. Then in the range editing permissions, let's choose who can access this. So in this drop down, choose here, choose custom, and if you want to add editors for this particular place in your sheet, you can enter the names or email addresses right here in this field. And also guys, of course, if you want to, choose only you to lock it completely to your master profile, or select custom to explicitly whitelist specific team email strings while locking out everyone else. Then you click on done. When you're done, change is saved. And that's it. Your layout formatting, nested query calculations, and financial records are completely bulletproof. Enjoy the guide, like and subscribe as always. See you soon.